The USC Viterbi Department of Biomedical Engineering has a new name thanks to a multi-million-dollar naming gift. The department will now be called the Alfred E. Mann Department of Biomedical Engineering at USC Viterbi, named after the trailblazer who helped develop the first pacemaker, insulin pump, and cochlear and retinal implants.
And the Rolling Stones break new ground with the first ever live rock concert on the global computer internet.
Did you know that USC ISI played a critical role in broadcasting the first live concert over the internet? ISI researcher Stephen Kastner is an internet pioneer who in 1992 co-created Mbone, a way to transmit video over the internet. The big moment happened 28 years ago on November 18, 1994. Mbone was used to broadcast a Rolling Stones concert worldwide on the internet from Dallas, Texas, paving the way for what we now call live streaming. USC Construction Management Association of America members got a behind-the-scenes look at the new Lucas Museum of Narrative Art that's slated to open in 2025. CMAA members also got the opportunity to network with industry professionals from more than 20 companies, and around $25,000 in scholarships were awarded at the event. Constantinos Soudas is a USC Viterbi professor of civil and environmental engineering who has figured out a way to significantly reduce the risk of students and professors becoming infected with COVID-19. This article, now featured on our website, explains how a team of Viterbi researchers focus on creating new air purification strategies that can greatly improve indoor air quality. That's all for this week. For more information on these stories and more, just head to our website, viterbi.usc.edu.